In the stillness of my mind, I find the seeds of positivity blooming. I release all negative thoughts and let them drift away like passing clouds. I am a vessel of peace and harmony, embracing each moment with open arms. I trust in the unfolding of life and approach challenges as opportunities for growth. My thoughts are like the gentle breeze, guiding me towards clarity and insight with each breath. I cultivate gratitude and compassion, spreading love to myself and others. I am a beacon of light, radiating positivity and serenity to all beings. In the essence of Zen, I am one with the flow of existence, embracing each moment with a heart full of joy and contentment. Remember, positive thinking is not about denying the challenges or difficulties in life, but rather acknowledging them while choosing to focus on constructive, uplifting, and empowering thoughts. Embracing a positive mindset can help us navigate through life's ups and downs with grace and resilience.